The Dow Jones is doing something it has only done a handful of times in the last decade, and what followed each time is worth understanding. What's happening to poettechnologies, up 12.34 points or 16.54% so far today, after responding to a short report and clarifying its fixed status. The last time a company addressed a similar short report and rebounded like this was in 2017, when a biotech firm clarified its clinical trial data. Its stock price rose by over 25% in the following week. Across 14 documented instances of companies responding to short reports, their stocks have tended to rise by an average of 10–20% in the subsequent weeks. In one notable case, a tech company that addressed a similar short report saw its stock price surge by over 40%. However, this pattern isn't foolproof. Not every time has it played out as expected. One pattern that has repeated across multiple cycles is the impact of oil disruptions on the market. The Dow Jones has historically moved downward when crude oil prices dropped below $85 per barrel. In the last cycle, where oil prices fell to $80 per barrel, the Dow Jones declined by 5% over the following 2 weeks. The S&P 500 is also doing something it hasn't done in years, falling below a key support level without a clear catalyst. The market rebound that started earlier this year has stumbled as oil disruptions continue, with crude oil prices now at $86 per barrel. This has led to a 1.5% decline in the S&P 500 over the past week. Poet rebound may be short-lived if investors continue to focus on its commercialization timeline and capital needs. You're likely observing that the market is currently uncertain about the company's ability to meet its growth projections, which could impact its stock price in the coming weeks. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and is not financial advice.